Is it as fun when you guys are in that classroom set as it looks? Like sometimes you watch shows where there's something that's supposed to be funny and like everyone's looks like they're supposed to look like they're having a good time, but it really appears like you guys are having a really good time sitting there, no matter who's in front of the room.
Yeah, we are.
Yeah, we do.
Sometimes we'll be talking and we'll turn and we'll look and they're shooting.
Yeah.
And the director,
Yeah.
will be like, just shoot this.
Because there's 12 of us in the room, so and we all like to talk a whole lot.
Yeah.
So that happens all the time. We'll just be talking and then
Dancing.
Action, we didn't know.
Singing,
they were shooting, they had been
joking. Yeah. I think you have to, too, especially, 'cause some of the scenes that you're seeing, some of the songs. I think Sweet Caroline, didn't we film that at like 12:30 at night or something like that? It was one of the last setups of the day. So you have to find ways to keep that energy up, and a lot of times it just ends up being that we're just very silly because we're somewhat delirious, and you've got to hold it together, but you've got to
Mostly
keep
delirious.
you've got to keep that energy up. So we're just absolutely ridiculous, huge dorks.
But it's like, what's more fun than getting to shoot like 3 or 4
It
music
does.
videos a week?
Yeah.
It's
It's
true.
like it's a
Pretty
blast.
much,
It's like we
yeah.
go on that stage because it's an actual auditorium at a real high school, and it's like, what are we doing? There's like these like when she did Keep Me Hanging On,
Oh my God.
and she had these huge lights behind her and the big crane camera. We walked in like, oh my god, this is like legit. This is an actual music video.